Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel spreadsheet into Google Sheets. Whether you want to collaborate with others online or just prefer the convenience of cloud storage, moving your data to Google Sheets can save you time and make sharing a lot easier. So let's get started. Here we have a simple payment sheet in Excel that we want to convert into Google Sheets. As you can see, it's just a small example file with some names, amounts, and payment statuses. The first step is to open Google Drive. Once you're inside Google Drive, click on the New button in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Google Sheets. This will open up a blank Google Sheet. Now go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, select Import. An import file window will appear. Here you have different options to bring in your Excel file. If the file is already in your Google Drive, you can pick it from there, but in this example, we'll upload it directly. So click on the Upload tab, and then click on the Browse button. Now locate your Excel file. Mine is saved on the desktop. This is our sample payment sheet, so I'll select it and click on Open. In the Import File pop-up, you'll see a few settings. From the drop-down menu, select Replace Spreadsheet, and then click on the Import Data button. Google Sheets will now automatically convert your Excel file into its own format. Within a few seconds, your payment sheet is ready to use inside Google Sheets. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review your spreadsheet. Sometimes formatting or column widths may need a small adjustment, but in most cases, everything looks perfect right away. And that's it. Converting Excel to Google Sheets is quick, simple, and makes it much easier to edit, share, and collaborate online. Now you know exactly how to do it.